Good day and welcome to sales. Here we've got a beautiful 2013 International Forestry bucket truck, 75-foot working height, automatic, that just takes a regular driver's license to drive with factory cold air conditioning. We're going to demonstrate the boom here. We're selling it to you boom certified, work ready. Here's an awesome truck that's ready to go today. We're going to show you this truck's been sandblasted, primed, and painted, and sitting here on the lot, she is totally ready to go. Let's get underneath here and look at this awesome frame. It's been sandblasted, primed, and painted, good rubber on it. Looks good underneath here. This one has lots of life left. 2013 International automatic 75-foot working height. Here's a monster of a truck that's really a nice money maker. On back here, I'm going to open up the back compartment here, show you inside. Here's a nice compartment to put your pole saws in. Nice big compartment there. Here you've got your pintle hitch here at the back, hookups there, vented roof caps out the top. You got your strobes working back here. Going to set the boom down. Nice under frame here. Toolbox here all the way through. Put all your stuff in. Setting that boom back down. Very respectable interior. Take a look inside. No rips or tears in the seat. Automatic transmission. Ooh, it feels nice and cool. It's a hot day here in Indiana. Truck idle back down to its normal idle speed. Raise that down bigger up here. Very respectable interior, no rips or tears. Got a push button PTO showing 8,000 hours, which is not bad on a truck like this. Now we're going to engage it and put it in drive. Show you there's no lights on the dash. Nice operating truck here. It's one thing for me to tell you and one thing for me to show you. We're going to drive it down the road. 2013 International automatic with factory cold air conditioning. Standing tall and ready to go today. Here's one thing for me to tell you and one thing for me to show you. She drives down the road, has good power. We got somebody up here that's stopped. We got to be careful when we go around them here. ...2013 International. We offer delivery nationwide. We're going to show you that the radio works good. Here's an awesome truck that's ready to go today. I want to thank you for watching the video. Visit our website at www.99trucks.net. That's the 2 number 9s, 99 and the word trucks.net. We're going to show you that the cruise control's working. We've got our foot off the pedal there. No lights on the dash. She's running down the road here good. I want to thank you for watching the video. Give me a call on my cell phone at 260-760-5052. Sean demonstrating the horn is working. Thanks again for watching the video.